Hello, welcome to my video. And in this video, I show you how I automate various my manual tasks using AI automation. And in this regard, I use the tool which is known as make.com, which was formerly known as Integroment. So basically, this is the scenario. I will explain this in a while. But first of all, let me show you the presentation. So basically, this is the presentations which is containing various variables. So after the introduction and executive summary, first we have the overall performance and their associated variables like total sessions per user. Then we have performance by top two devices like mobile and desktop. Then we have the performance by top two OS like Windows and Android. Then we have the performance by top three countries. And all these variables will get the dynamic data from AI automation. So let's jump back to the make.com platform and let me explain swiftly the entire scenario. So first we have a module which is known as Google Analytics 4. So module, you can say that any kind of software or tool. And in this module, you can select only 10 matrices per module of Google Analytics 4. So here I am grabbing the overall performance, and this module get the data and fill all the variables I showed you earlier here. All these variables will be filled through this Google Analytics module. Then we have a Google Analytics 4, another module, and this time I am grabbing the data by top two devices. And similarly, all these module or variables will be filled by this Google Analytics 4 module. Then we have another third action in which I am grabbing the Google Analytics 4 data by top two OS, which is Windows and Android. And then we have the last Google Analytics 4 module in which I'm grabbing the data by top three countries, which will be added over here. Alright. Then in the last, I am checking the updated presentation from Google Drive, and then in the last, there is a module which is known as email, and in this email, the updated presentation will be attached as an attachment along with the message body. So let me show you how it works. So basically, this is the complete flow, how the AI automation scenario works when we run it step by step, then yet it ends at email. So basically, this is the email I got. Here is the email body, and basically this is the presentation. Let me show you the presentation. So introduction, executive summary, and here is the overall performance. And there we go. The variables got the data from Google Analytics, and this is the dynamic data. This is the total active users and total users, engaged session and engagement, and so forth, and so on. Performance by top two devices. Then we have the performance by top two OS, Android and Windows. Then we have performance by top three countries, from United States, from Pakistan, and from China. I hope you like this video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.